Hello again. So, today we have decided na gawan ng frames yung ating mga paintings. We have a lot of paintings na in the past and nakastock lang siya actually sa loob ng bahay. So, isa rin ito sa dahilan kung bakit naisipan namin na gumawa ng art cafe. That we will have like a cafe type of gallery kung saan pwede namin i-display yung mga paintings na nagawa ng aming family in the past. So, yung ibang paintings, dahil medyo matagal na nga siyang nakastock, medyo nadumihan na at na-deform. So, we started cleaning them up and then we did a bit of retouch for them as well. And dahil iba-iba nga yung sizes nila, it will be hard for us to look for a frame for each of them. That's when we decided na gumawa na lang ng sarili naming frames and at the same time, mas makakatipid na rin kami for this. So, we went to a hardware store and bought the paints and yung mga kahoy na need namin, we started cutting them and yung iba niliha ko na rin para medyo maging soft yung edges niya. And after which, si Bong naman, pininturahan niya na yung mga frames and there you go. Here's the finished products. Enjoy!